Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Malik Nawaz Shuja from Department of Microbiology, Kohat University of Science and Technology, Kohat. Today I am with my another lecture of General Virology. The course code of this subject is MIC 231. Basically, our today lecture is in continuation of our previous lecture 9. So this is the second portion of lecture 9, which is on single-stranded DNA viruses. Basically, single-stranded DNA viruses belong to the group 2 of Baltimore classification. So our focus is on family Geminiviridae because this family is highly responsible and the most countable family of phytopathogen, which is known for its huge losses in the tropical and subtropical region of the world. And these are the contents of my today's lecture. Today we will target the genera Begomovirus because this is the most important genera of this family, and this is the largest genera of this family among the 9 genera of Geminiviridae. So we will study about the genomic structure. Basically, Begomoviruses are of two types, monopartite and bipartite. Then we will study about the detail of its genomic architecture. Within the genome, we will focus on the open reading frame, and then we will go in detail about the function of each gene which is responsible for multitask function. And next, we will describe the symptoms, and we will go in detail about the basic symptoms which has been reported or documented in different papers of Begomoviruses in different plants. In the last, we will study about the significance of this virus in worldwide as compared to Pakistan. So Begomoviruses belong to the genera of family Geminiviridae. This is the largest and the huge genera of family Geminiviridae because more species belong to this group. So Begomoviruses having a genome which is small circular single-stranded DNA. Begomoviruses are either monopartite or bipartite. A Begomovirus are monopartite, so this means that the genomic component or the genomic molecule is present in a single form, and this single form is designated as DNA, and we call it as a monopartite single genomic component. In case of bipartite, this indicates that the genomic material of Begomovirus are present in the form of partition, means molecules are present in different forms, or the genomic material are distributed into different molecules. So bipartite means bi means two, partite means molecules. So the genomic material, when they are present in two molecules, and these two molecules or components are or easiness has been characterized as DNA A component and DNA B component. If we are talking about the monopartite or single component, so the size of a single component is round about 2.5 kb to 3 kb long size. And if we are talking about the segmented or the bipartite, so in the segmented there are two molecules, so adding the both molecule size, it become round about 4.8 kb to 5.6 kb long in length. DNA A comprise of 6 open reading frames, 2 on virion side and the rest of all are on the complementary strand. And all these genes are responsible for both for structural proteins as well as functional proteins. while in DNAB there are only two open reading frames or two genes, one on the virion strand and the second one on the complementary strand. So these will be discussed in the coming slides. In Gemini viruses, both segments must be transmitted to the host for full systemic infection to occur. Basically, DNA in case of bipartite, DNA is responsible for some sort of activities such as replication, pathogenicity, but the moment is provided by the intra-moment or inter-moment provided by the DNA-B. So, in case of bipartite, DNA-A as well as DNA-B, both molecules are important and compulsory for complete cause of infection. Otherwise, there will be no infection because the virus will be unable to move inside or outside this cell, because the moment is provided by the DNA-B of bipartite begomoviruses in case of bipartite. This is the genomic structure of begomoviruses. I already told begomoviruses having bipartite or monopartite genomes. If we are talking about bipartite genome, so DNA-A and DNA-B are the both components, and DNA-A is approximately equal in size to DNA-B of bipartite genome. DNA-A consists of 6 open reading frames, V2 and core protein. These two genes on the virion strand, and they are separated from the complementary strand by a common region or large intergenic region, which containing a highly conserved hairpin loop known as nonanucleotide. So this indicates the nonanucleotide sequence here in this. In the complementary strand, there are 4 open reading frames or open genes. One is RIP, the second one is C4, then TRAP, and the last one is RAN gene. In case of DNA-B, there are 2 genes. One is nuclear shuttle protein on the virion strand, while the moment protein is on the complementary strand of DNA-B. It should be noted that DNA-B in case of monopartite is missing. There is only a single component which is homolog of DNA-A of bipartite begomoviruses. DNA-A has the same genes such as V2, CP, C4, REP, RAN, TRAP, and they are separated from one another by the large intergenic region in which there is a common region. So the common region is round about 200 nucleotide, which is common between DNA-A and DNA-B molecules. It should be noted that mostly monopartite begomoviruses are associated with DNA satellites. One satellite is known as alpha satellite, and the second satellite that is known as beta satellite. Alpha satellite has only one open reading frame which is present on the virion strand, and this is known as REP, which is responsible for autonomous replication of alpha satellite, while beta satellite has also a single open reading frame which is designated as beta C1 gene, and this is considered as a pathogenicity determinant. Here is a satellite common region. It should be noted that the size of the satellite, alpha satellite or beta satellite, are approximately equal and half to the helper molecule. If we are talking about the virion structure of begomoviruses or Gemini viruses, so basically Gemini viruses are non-enveloped. icosahedral structure. Icosahedral structure are those viruses or those structures which have 20 facet and 12 vertex that consist of a capsid. The capsid is germinate or twin and consists of 22 capsomere, and they are incomplete at T1 position. Here we can see this one. The size of the capsid is 38 nanometer long and has a diameter of 18 to 22 nanometer. This is the diameter and this is the basic length of the virus, and this photograph was taken with the electron microscopy. So here are the structure, icosahedral structure of Gemini viruses or begomoviruses, and we can see it. Now let's talk about the open reading frames. I already gave a little bit explanation on the previous slide. So DNA A consists of 6 open reading frames, 2 on virion strand which is known as V2 and CP, while the 4 genes or open reading frames are present on the complementary strand, and they are considered as a RIP gene, REN, TRAP and C4. On the other hand, DNA B has 2 open reading frames, one on each side. One is nuclear shutter protein on the complementary on the virion strand, while movement protein is present on the complementary strand of DNA B in case of bipartite begomoviruses. In DNA, there is a large intergenic region which containing around about 200 nucleotides, a common region between DNA A and DNA B in case of bipartite begomoviruses. And this common region contains a highly conserved sequence known as nonanucleotide sequence, and the sequence of nonanucleotide is TAA, TA, T, AT. And this sign indicates there is here origin of replication take place, and here is a necking take place due to the RIP proteins. So this necking take place between nucleotide 7 and 8 of the nonanucleotide. The common region containing a motif known as iteron. Iteron is basically directly repeated or inverted sequences which are present in the large intergenic region and play a vital role in regulation of replication, because these sequences are identified by the REP protein and then initiation of replication takes place. So this slide represents the basic structure or the genomic architecture of begomoviruses. The upper panel shows the bipartite begomoviruses. These are the open reading frames, and this is the large intergenic region which contains the common region of approximately 200 nucleotides. So this common region is found between DNA A and DNA B. Similarly, in case of monopartite begomoviruses are mostly associated with the satellite molecules alpha satellite and beta satellite. Begomoviruses has 6 open reading frames. So the size of the virus is smaller in size, and due to smaller in size, each gene is responsible for a multitask function. In all viruses, it has been reported that each gene are mostly involved in more than 2 or 3 types of activities. For example, if we are talking about the RIP gene or RIP protein of begomovirus, so this protein is usually involved in the process of replication, DNA binding, and this is also responsible for the necking. Necking is uh, take place in the mononucleotide to initiate the process of replication. And once replication is complete, the rib protein is also involved in the process of ligation, and adult 5 and 3 primes are closed, and because Gemini viridae containing covalently closed circular single-stranded DNA genome. This protein is also responsible for the process of oligomerization, initiation of virion-strand DNA replication, also involved in the control of cell cycle. It plays a vital role in ATPase activity and has a site-specific topoisomerase activity. Along with this, it induces the expression of host DNA synthesis protein. It also involved in the proliferating cell nuclear antigen, which is known as pCNA, and this basically processivity factor for the DNA polymerase sigma in replication. It also involved in non-dividing plant cells bound with the retinoplasma related protein. Now just imagine only a rib protein, which is a multitask protein and involved in so many activities. Now if we are talking about the TRIN protein, so this protein is usually involved in the viral DNA replication, and TRAP gene is involved in the transcriptional activation for virion sense gene. It also involved to overcome other host defense mechanisms, including programmed cell death. It also suppresses of RNA silencing and interact with and inactivate SNF1 kinase, cellular stress, and adenosine kinase activities. Basically, TRAP not only doing the process of transcription activities but also involved in the gene silencing of the host mechanism system, because it come over the defense system of the host in order to activate its own mechanism to enhance the replication and the process of translation of the virus inside the host. Similarly, C4 gene of the begomovirus basically involved in symptoms development. It also involved in the movement of the virus. In case of monopartite begomoviruses, it provides the inter and intra movement to the virus, and it has also been reported that C4 of DNA has been reported post-transcriptional gene silencing suppressor. So it involved in so many types of activities. Now we are talking about V2, which is a pre-protein on the virion strand. It plays a vital role in symptom determination, transcription, genes suppression, silencing involvement, and it also involved in the movement inside and outside, intra and inter movement of the virus, and it also involved in the expression of the core protein gene. CP is not only involved in encapsulation of the virus, but it also plays a vital role in the whitefly mediated transmission, also involved in the accumulation of viral single-stranded DNA and nuclear localization. So initially I was talking about the genes which are present on the DNA. Now I am talking about the genes which are present in DNA B in case of bipartite begomoviruses. So bipartite begomovirus DNA B has only two genes. One is nuclear shuttle protein and the second one is the movement protein. Nuclear shuttle protein transport of viral DNA between the nucleus in the cytoplasm. It also involved in the host range determination and virus transmission. It also interacts with the host factor and considered to be pathogenicity determinant like TRAP or like C4 and beta C1 gene. Movement protein involved in the cell-to-cell movement and pathogenicity determinant. So all genes are responsible for more than one type of activity. If we are talking about the satellite, which are mostly associated with the monopartite begomoviruses, but now has also been reported that alpha satellite is also associated with the bipartite begomoviruses. If we are talking about the beta satellites, so beta satellites has only one open reading frame or one gene which is encoded for beta C1 protein, and it is involved in the determination of host range. It also involved in the movement and accumulation of both satellite and helper virus. It is also served as a pathogenicity enhancement, also involved in the post-transcription gene silencing, as well as upregulation of viral DNA level in plant. Now we are talking about the open reading frame of alpha satellites. So in alpha satellite there is only a single gene which is known as alpha rib or rib alpha, and it involved in the replication process, and there is not even a single report about pathogenicity of this rib protein present in the alpha satellite. It usually involved in the autonomous replication of the satellite. Let us put some light on the satellite. What are satellite? What is the role of satellite? So satellites are basically a virus or a genomic material or nucleic acid like material which shows dissimilarity to their helper virus in case of sequence similarity, in case of sequence identity, and totally depend on their helper virus for some sort of activities, for example replication and dispensable. Satellites are not only present in DNA form. Initially satellites were reported with the RNA viruses with RNA type nature, but now with DNA viruses it has also reported and satellite with a DNA nature. So satellites are molecules or components that are of small nucleic acid components which may be classically defined as virus or nucleic acid that depends on their helper virus for replication or dispensable for replication of the helper virus and lacks sequence similarity or identity to their helper virus when we are talking about the genomic similarity. So the genome of satellites are totally different from the helper virus. Satellites molecules are associated with RNA viruses initially, but now this is not fixed only with RNA viruses, also has been reported with the DNA viruses as a common feature of them. Mostly, however, the circle of satellites is not strictly bound to RNA viruses only. DNA viruses also found with its association. For example, if we are talking about the alpha satellite, if we are talking about the beta satellite, or a new group of satellites known as delta satellite. All three types of satellites, they are of DNA nature and associated with the Gemini viridae viruses, as well as Alpha satellite has also been reported with the Nanoviridae. If we are talking about the size of the satellites, so the Begomu-virus associated satellites are mostly 1.2 to 1.4 kb in size, which is usually half to their helper virus size. There are 3 or 4 common features of each satellite. For example, beta satellites consist of adenine-rich region, satellite common region, and it containing only a single protein which is known as beta C1 and responsible for pathogenicity enhancement, and it containing a highly conserved sequence which is known as nonanucleotide. So these are basically the common feature of beta satellites. If we are talking about the alpha satellites, so alpha satellite also consists of adenine rich region, satellite common region which is known as SCR, and containing only one open reading frame on virion strand and a highly conserved region nonanucleotide here. Begomu-viruses produce specific types of symptoms in different types of plants. For example, it has also been reported symptoms may be produced by a single virus or may be in the form of mixed infection. 2 or more different types of Begomu-viruses or strains or variant may be available inside a single plant, or a single plant may be a host of many viruses, or a single virus can infect a wide range of plants. So this is a natural phenomenon. In the common symptoms of Begomu-viruses, it produces 2 types. It involved in the structural involvement, and it also play in vital role in the chlorophyll. It produces leaf curling, vein thickening, and sometimes initiation, so which play in the structure, do changes in the form of a structure, and sometimes it also play a vital role in the chlorophyll because it changes greenish color into yellow mosaic or yellow vein or yellow mosaic like pattern or golden mosaic like pattern it produces. And we can see all these symptoms if we are talking about Ageratum, so it produces Ageratum initiation virus produce a type of initiations. Initiations are basically a small leaflet like which are present on the lower side of the leaf, and in structure changes, the internode space is basically reduced, in which the curling of the leaf takes start from the margin. When it starts rolling, the rolling may be in the upward direction or maybe in the downward direction, and sometimes leaf look like a cup. Cup may be in the upward or maybe in the downward. There is no such report. In one variety it has been reported in the upward curling has been reported, and in some cultivars the downward movement has been reported. In the symptoms, yellowing of the infected leaves, very small down curl tips and margin of the youngest leaves, and chlorosis and stunting has also been reported. It should be noted that Begomu-viruses are not transmitted mechanically. They are transmitted from the infected plant to the helper plant by a single species which is known as white fly. So the virus is vector based, depend on whitefly for its transmission from infected plant to healthy plant, and it transmit in the form of persistent manner. Similarly, if we are talking about the other genera, so they are also transmitted by the leafhopper aphids in the form of persistent manner. In this slide, we will be able to see different types of symptoms which are produced by the Bigomonas or Gemini viridae, such as yellow mosaic-like pattern, curling pattern, hair leaf deformation, and here is also mosaic or yellow veins. So it produces different types of symptoms in different plants. Bigomoviruses, basically this genre of Gemini viridae is the most important genre because it's responsible for huge losses in the world. For example, cotton leaf curl multan virus, which is the well-known species of Bigomovirus of infecting the cotton, and now it has also been reported from the other plants. But if we are talking about the cotton, so in a short period, for example 1992 to 1997, in this small period of time, Pakistan faced $5 billion because of this cotton infecting viruses only in the cotton sector. Similarly, if we are talking about cassava mosaic virus, which is also belong to the family of Gemini viridae, in Africa, it produced a losses of 1.2 to 2.3 billion $. The circle of the losses not limited to Pakistan and Africa, but some other nation or countries of the world has also been reported for its significant losses. For example, in India, Gemini viruses were responsible for round about 300 million $, in grain legumes, while in USA, in the state of Florida, 140 million $, has been reported along in the crop of tomato. Now, no one can neglect the importance and significance of Bigomovirus because of its huge losses, and not only the cash crop but some other important crops has also been reported or targeted by this virus and with the huge losses. If it attack in the early stages, sometime 100% crop is destroyed. So this was all about the significance of Bigomovirus. So this is the end of my today lecture. I hope this will be enough for your kind information, and thank you all students for your kind attention also. Allah Hafiz.